Good day guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you if you are forgotten your Magnus Billing root password or your login root password. We're gonna teach you on how do you reset it or how do you forgot the password. Okay, so you must go here on the Magnus Billing link so you can recover your password over here. So you can go to your footy and SSH, and then you can use the Magnus Billing username and password, and you can get your SQL password or database password from here using this one. And to update, you can use this one to update your password. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna show you on how to do it on our video. Okay, so first you need to go on your footy. So this is my footy right now. So we are using this one. So it's why instances, Magnus Build that I rename it. So I need to update my password because every time I shut down my instance, so I need to change the password, the IP. Okay, so from here, you need to go to sudo I. So to access the root access from your server, okay, gonna clear it. So first, from here, so we have been successfully logged on our putty, okay, and then next we need to get first our uh database password, okay. So just copy and paste and enter. So this is your database SQL password. And then after that, you need to go back here. Just copy this one. Go back here, then paste. Okay, they said MariaDB database. What is it? Okay, so if I choose MySQL user root, then password. Okay, just only use that one. And I copy my root password over here. Let me see if possible to work. Yeah, it's working as you can see. And then after that, you can check the show database. I think databases. Okay, so the MB link. Okay, you can use database MB link. Okay, okay, okay. So after that, uh you can use update this one root password. Okay, go back here and paste here. Okay, as you can see, they said root password that been updated and applied. So go back here and try to access our Magnus. Okay, so I need to double check my security group because my IP was changed. So I need to update my IP first. Okay, so go to security group, edit, need one, oh, crap. Okay, if I refresh again, so I can able to access my, and then the password should be root and then Magnus. Wow, we back on the default password. Okay, you can see I'm successfully logging again. So again, I need to change my password. Okay, then save. Okay, and now I have successfully updated my password. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video for today on how do you reset your Magnus billing root password and go back to the main password Magnus. Thank you guys and have a nice day. See you on our next video. Bye bye.